Welcome to Bratislava.
This morning started with a very cool sail into the Danube. Very chill. I got up on deck about 7 a.m. or so and watched our approach to a dam and a hydroelectric plant built by Slovakia. I'll put the name in the description when we show you this video shortly, but Lord help me, I can't pronounce the name of that thing. Slovakians were going to build it with Hungary's help. Hungary kind of backed out, so they're very proud of finishing this thing pretty much on their own.
Once we arrived in Bratislava, we took a very nice walking tour of the old town, saw some beautiful architecture, Christmas markets, and then just meandered on our own to take in the sights and the sounds and the smells of the markets.
This really was a proper walk about their old town. All these places in Europe have an old town. This one was really good and probably the best Christmas market so far on this trip. I dare say I might like it a little bit better than Vörösmarty Square in Budapest. It's right up there. We hope you enjoy the episode. Welcome to episode 2 of our Danube Christmas Market series with AmaWaterways. Please subscribe to our channel and select the bell to receive notifications of our new content. Thank you. The Gabcíkovo lock we're approaching is the widest lock in Europe.
This, our first time in Bratislava, began with very interesting movement of riverboats inside of ours.
Yeah, no, the problem was that it was just 3 meters, but yeah, it's every 3 meters, but I didn't know.
This neo-Baroque building was originally a grain house, becoming a concert hall in the early 20th century.
Again, nothing to worry about. I don't want to make you anxious. It's just to remind you, because more decades, for the 40 years, this was a horrible regime.
Our first Christmas market was great. This one had much more food than crafts. Our walking tour would continue from this end of our first Christmas market to Bratislava's Old Town. As European old towns go, this one was very charming.
Learn Russian language as the foreign language. It was compulsory from the 4th class. You can see here on the left.
Tú chvíľu zasnie hudobný výber herečky Emílie Vášáriovej. Nech sa páči, započúvajte sa.
Milí Bratislavčania, the statue of man who really lived here in Bratislava. The name of this man in German language was Nancy. Beautiful Ignatius in English. This man was all the day working in wood.
We hope you've enjoyed this video. In our next episode, we explore Vienna, Austria. We have lots of cruise content on our channel, so why not watch another video after this? Be sure to check out our full ship tour as well. Thank you for watching.